Okay, let's see some more functions in the list. So let me first add some more elements to my list. I can say okay, L2 dot pushback, uh, let's say carrot, okay, or let's say orange, and L2 dot pushback lemon. Okay, so I'm just adding few more elements in the list, and let's print out all the elements of the list. Okay, so pushback, you already know it inserts an element towards the end of the list, and from this list, suppose I want to remove a fruit by the value. Okay, remove a fruit, you can say okay, string f, take input that fruit, and you can say okay, L2 dot remove that particular fruit. So maybe I say I do not want to have guava in the list. Okay, so that is going to remove all occurrences of guava. So maybe let's have two guavas in the list, and after that let's print out the list again. Okay, so let's see what happens. Okay, let me give a handle here. Okay, you can see this was the original list, and after you call L2 dot remove f, where the fruit is guava, all the occurrences, all the nodes where the fruit was guava, they are now removed from the list. Okay, so this is what remove function does. If you want to remove orange, you can call L2 dot remove, and you just pass in the fruit name as orange. Okay, so that's it. And maybe we can also erase some element at a particular index. Okay, so we can erase one or more elements from the list. I will just comment this thing out. I will say okay, I want to create an iterator. So if you want to give a particular position from where you want to erase an element, you have to define that with reference to the beginning of the list. Okay, you can say L2 dot begin plus 3. That means the third element I'm going to erase from the list. So 1 0 1 2 3, that is banana. So I can L2 dot erase, and here I can give the iterator. Okay, so okay, this won't work because yeah, this now this is a problem here, because the direct access operator does not work. If you do okay L2 of I want to remove this element, this is not possible. This works with the vector because the memory is linear, so you cannot do this at this particular place. Instead you have to say okay, it plus plus, increment the iterator, so that will take your pointer to the next node. Okay, for example, the first node is apple, let's say something like this. The first node is apple, next node is mango, and next node is guava. Okay, so if you want to go to this node, you cannot say this node is L2 of 2. No, this won't work. Direct access does not work with list because the underlying memory is not linear. Instead you have to take a pointer it, and you have to take it to the next position by doing it plus plus. Okay, this is something we should do. So maybe if I do it plus plus 2 times, and then I say okay, I want to erase the first element or the second element, then this is what I need to do. Let's try this now. Okay, so after that we have to print out the list again. So let's print the list. Okay, now you can see the second element, that is guava, that is now removed from the list. Similarly, we can insert elements in the list. Maybe I want to insert an element after the first element. Okay, let's say after kiwi I want to insert one element. I can say okay, it equals to L2 dot begin, and then I do it plus plus, and then I can say okay, L2 dot insert um, fruit juice, something like that, and let's print out the list again. Oh, sorry, this should also accept position it. I want to insert this element. uh, okay, we do not know where it should be. Maybe the first parameter should be the position and the next should be the value. Okay, okay, yeah, so this is the case. So after the first element you are now having fruit juice as the node in the linked list. Okay, so these are some of the functions that you can use with the linked list, and we will see more examples in the next video. So thanks a lot, see you guys in the next video.